I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the way.
Just a stone throws away from Nairobi, hidden within the peaceful hills of Kiambu, lies a paradise lost. A breathtaking escape that immerses you in Kenya's natural beauty. Here, surrounded by indigenous flora and fauna, nature welcomes you with open arms. The towering acacias and the vibrant shrubs create a sanctuary for a variety of birds. Camels lazily stroll against the expansive fields, offering gentle rides for those seeking to experience the slow, timeless rhythm of nature.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
And if you're up for more adventure, the park has plenty to offer. From horse riding to archery, there is something for everyone.
Fighting to create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Paradise Lost is not just about sightseeing, it's a place to truly unwind. Families and friends gather at the picnic sites, setting up their own grills, cooking and sharing meals under the shade of ancient trees.
and may there be light.
The slow pace of life here is contagious, with the fresh scent of nature making you forget the rush of the city.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
And for the history lovers, a walk into the Mau Mau caves is still stepping back in time. These caves once provided refuge to freedom fighters during Kenya's struggle for independence. Their walls still echoing the stories of resilience and determination, a place of both beauty and significance.
Okay, let's go. OMG. This is OMG. I'm not calling you. OMG. Kuna bag. Oh, Lord Jesus. Kuna kwanga na bag. Tuna zile Dracula bag. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Kai, unataka niko claustrophobic? Hii place inatokea wapi? Kuna light. Mama walikuwa wanakaa hapa for real. No, let's just hapana wewe unatokea uoga. Hatuwezi angalia nyuma. We'll turn into a pillow of salt like the wife of Lot. Kan kwenda mbele tunaenda mbele. Mimi niko wapi? Ningine uoga moja. I know. Oh, no, these are all the things in my head. Ukikuja unajua wata block passage.
Nasikia watu nasikia sema wao.
Ati wow. Those are white people. Those are white people. They get excited over such things. No. Oh shoot. Tell me there is a way out.
There is.
Woo! What is that? God, Jesus. Karo unajua nimegonga kichwa. Karo, I've knocked my head. What the hell is wrong with you? Oh my God. These are the worst people to go on an adventure with. Carol, where are you? You guys have left me. Carol. Jesus. I can imagine. This is not right. So Dedan Kimathi used to hide here? No, Dedan. You're now a hero for real. This place is scary. And yeah, white people couldn't get here. This place. At Mau Mau caves. They used to sleep here. No way. Whew. Guys, I'm sweating literally. Should see me. Whew. This place. Nope. If you're claustrophobic. Caro, what did you see that you went back so fast? What do you guys are not even my friends.
Let's go back, girl.
You guys are not even my friends.
Even what? Adventurous than you?
No, the Mau Mau were more adventurous than me. Even going back is worse. Gosh, Jesus. How low can I go? How low can I go? How low can I go? Aki nimegonga kichwa. I can't wait to see daylight. I can't wait to see the outside. It's like, oh God, Jesus, finally. I just want to be done with this place. I made it alive. Oh my God, God, Jesus. I made it out alive. Just look at that. Now, whatever that was, I'm glad to be done with it. Lord Jesus, that was
Turns to sun rays and on we'll go.
Just nearby, the man-made lake offers a peaceful retreat. Here you can take a boat ride and drift on calm waters as you watch the ripples shimmer in the sunlight. The tranquility is unmatched. Only the occasional bird call or a rustle of leaves are breaking the silence.
Yeah, she's finally doing vlogging apparently.
Caro is signing her life away.
But for the more adventurers, there's the thrill of zip-lining over the lake. We geared up with safety vests, helmets fastened tight, and hearts racing in excitement.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Shaking.
It is running. Have fun. And then
no! Come on, Losh! Aki Losh, go!
chali fulani ule yeah tuchome twende go
Then as you leap off the platform, the wind rushes past you, and for a few thrilling moments you're flying over the sparkling blue waters below.
Time is barely on our side.
Whether it's a day of excitement, exploration, or simple relaxation, Paradise Lost offers a unique escape. It's a place where nature, history, and adventures come together. A place where time slows down and life's simple joys come alive. So, that was our day at Paradise Lost.